Let's make our own wrapping paper using only 2 markers. Let's get started. Let's get the paper and 2 markers. One light marker and the other one is darker. First, let's start using the lighter marker and write happy birthday. The second one, we are going to use the darker marker to write the name. Later, I will use the smaller tip and you can choose your own. Now, let's get on to the wrapping paper. The first, we're gonna try to write happy birthday. Next, let's write the name. Next, we use the lighter marker and then the darker marker. Go on and on until the end of the paper. If you have this bit of space, just let's write the happy. The second column, you're gonna start with the darker marker. For the last column, we're just gonna write like we usually do, but not full of it. Now it's done. If you have one other marker, you can put some doodles in the wrapping paper. Last but not least, you can start wrapping your gift. Now, this is it, your own wrapping paper. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check other tutorials in my YouTube channel. See ya!